Setting the origin and the grid. First, there are two origins used in the software. The absolute origin, which is the lower left of the design space, and the user definable relative origin, which is used to determine the current design space location. Before setting the origin, keep zooming in to the lower left of the current board shape until you can easily see the grid. To do this, position the cursor over the lower left corner of the board shape and press page up until both the coarse and fine grids are available, just as in this image. Then, to set the relative origin, select Edit, then Origin, and then click Set. Then position the cursor over the bottom left corner of the board shape. Then left click to locate it. Next step is to select a suitable snap grid as discussed in the table. During the course of the design, it is quite common to change grids. For example, you might use a coarse grid during component placement and a finer grid for routing. For this tutorial, you will be using a metric grid. Press Ctrl Shift G to open the Snap Grid dialog and enter 5 mm, then click OK to close the dialog. Lastly, by entering the units as you entered a value, you have also instructed the software to switch to a metric grid. You can check this on the status bar.